Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today I am going to show you how to prepare tomato thokku from Veggie Recipes Blogspot.
If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Click the bell button for all notification.
Ingredients for tomato thokku: 1.5 kg of tomato, 35 number garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of Fenugreek, 2 teaspoons of Urad dal, little curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 100 ml of cooking oil and salt to taste. Keep the pan in flame. We are going to dry roast the mustard. No need of any oil. The mustard got fritters. We are going to add the fenugreek now. No need to roast too much. We are going to switch off the flame. Have to cut the tomato into small pieces like this. We are going to make the powder in dry roasted mustard and fenugreek. We made as a powder. Keep the pan, let the pan get heated up. Then you add the oil, cooking oil. You can use gingerly oil also. Instead of cooking oil, you can use gingerly oil. Gingerly oil is better than cooking oil. So you can use gingerly oil also. 100 ml of oil. Going to add the Urad dal. Curry leaves. Garlic cloves. Asafoetida powder. Going to add the tomato. Turn upside down properly, then lid it in medium flame. Approximately for 5 to 10 minutes. Now 5 minutes finished. So we're going to turn upside down. You can add this one to the hotly cooked rice. With that one it's very tasty. Plus it will go with dosa, idli, chapati. Going to keep this one for 5 more minutes. So we're going to open the lid now. It's 10 minutes in total now. Mix it well. At regular interval also you can do mix upside down this mixture. So for 1 minute, 2 minutes like that. We're going to add the Kashmiri chilli powder. It's very tasty. turmeric powder. So you will not get these dishes and all in hotel. Whatever you are making in home, that taste is entirely different. Plus it's the healthiest one. We know what we are adding. The ingredients, we know what we are adding. Salt to taste. It depends on the sour taste of tomato. The salt. We have added approximately 4 teaspoons of salt. We will check if required. We will add as per our taste. We have reduced the flame to between sim and medium. So it should be mixed blended as a paste at the time the oil will comes out. So that is the final stage to switch off the flame. Going to turn upside down. So it should be there in a flame little more time. Let this to boil. It will take 5 more minutes approximately, I think. See, this is in the final stage. Saute until all the water get dried up. See, this is the consistency. So we are going to add the mustard and fenugreek powder. So this is already get fried. No need to cook after adding this one. We are going to switch off the flame. That's it. This will not get spoiled for 10 to 15 days. Keep it in an airtight container. So you can store in the airtight container this one. Tomato Thokku from Veggie Recipes Box Pot. Just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends and relatives.